It's a 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This is the brainy and brawny tool you need when your office is what you drive. It's well equipped with the features you need: Ecotec 3 engine, electronic shift on the fly, driver selectable mode, active grille shutters, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. The time is now. See it for yourself today. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.